Hi, Alan SoCal, and I wanted to do a quick comment review on the Boya-2 Updated. The Boyalink-2 Updated is in fact updated. There was a Gen-1 Boyalink, and this particular Boyalink-2 has some improvements that definitely make this what I think to be a best choice in under $100 budget wireless mics. This is the case that holds all of the accessories, not just some of them. You also get a fabric satchel, which I probably won't use, but this case I will use. And here are the wind socks. Well, they just dropped out. It's a little plastic holder device. But anyway, those two wind socks, I tried them in a previous video. They're down there. You've got a Lightning, a USB-C, and a TRS adapter. All three of these slip into the receiver. I'm actually using my studio camera. It's a Sony A6400. And I have the receiver directly plugging into the side of the camera. I didn't need, although I thought I might need an extension cable, because I felt that maybe the receiver, the body of the little receiver with the TRS coming out of the side, if I tried pushing it into the Sony, maybe I'd have some other accessories that would conflict with it and it wouldn't allow the receiver to fully seat. However, it did go all the way in, fully seat, and I know from my previous review video that it works. So you get this case, you get the two transmitter mic units. You do not have the option of plugging in an external mic. I have that on my prosumer mic systems that I use here in my office studio. But in this case, I found the quality of the Boya-2 update to be literally equal to, maybe not better, but pretty much equal to my prosumer wireless mic system, where I do have an external plug-in mic. So I'm impressed with it. The audio has been very good. Just so you know, on this A6400, I have the audio gain on the camera set for, I believe it's 14 or 16. The Boya-2 or the Boyalink-2 transmitters, I've got both of them now set for the 2 out of 6. There's a little rocker button on these, and very easy to set the gain from the mic transmitter. I've got it down to 2. And I checked my digital gauge on the camera, and I could see that I was just coming up to overdriving, but had a little safety factor there. So if you like this audio, which I liked it before, I bet I'm going to like this too. I've taken off, again, the wind sock, and I dropped from a 2.5 out of 6 gain on this to a 2.0. I think I'm pretty much at my optimal recording levels for this particular set. And when you hear this video, maybe you'll agree.